I will do my tech demo of a Kahoot. Kahoot is a great way for you to create a game that will be competitive for your students. Although it is competitive, it is very fun for students. I've seen it used in classrooms and it really gets the students engaged with learning. So from the beginning, you will create a Kahoot account, which I was already logged in. Let me sign out. Once I move my thing, so I will sign out to show you how to create accounts. So from the home screen, you will go to sign up if you do not have an account. I've already created an account, so I'm going to continue. Well, let me show you the sign up process. So when you're signing up, you can select that you're a teacher, student, personal, or professional. I created my account under teacher just so I can show you the steps. But with your students, you will have your students to use this to create their own account. Or you can create an account for all of your students, which will make it easier. So then we're going to log in. Okay, from this screen, this is the screen that will be your main screen. You can go right here if you would like to create a Kahoot using one of their templates, which is very easy to do. So you can create the Kahoot. You can create a new Kahoot. It has a template with slides, Kahoot for formative assessment, introducing new topics with a blind Kahoot, practice spelling and adjective with puzzle, which is a great idea for the younger students. You can get to know your teacher, and you also can student selfie Kahoot. With here, I will do a create a new Kahoot. And here, you will start typing your questions. You come up with your own questions. So you can say, what year did President first run for president? And from here, you will add your answers. So you can say 2000. 2021, which is you can use only 2 answers or you can use all 4. 10 or I'm gonna throw a curveball. 1975. And from there, you will just go to the next one and you will add a slide and questions. And it will let you select different type of questions. You can do quiz, true or false, type of answer, puzzle, all of those different ones that you can use, and you will create another question. Once you're done, you will go to the corner and click on save. And keep this draft. So when you are ready to actually play the Kahoot game, you will go over to courses. And here you can list your different courses that you would like to create the Kahoots for and assign them to your learners. Up here you will see a report. That will give you all of your students' names on here. You can track their report to see how great they are doing with the Kahoot game, track their scores, see how fast they are answering the question, how many questions they answered correctly. A lot. Kahoot is a great game to for you to know. It's a great formative assessment for you to know, okay, is my students guessing or is it taking a while for them to answer? Do they know it right off hand or not? You will kind of get an idea of what you need to work on with your students for the lesson at hand. They do have different access passes that you can purchase. Right now, I don't have a classroom, so of course I'm not going to pay for Kahoots, but it's all different kind of things that you can purchase for your students to use, which is phenomenal. Anything that you can think of will be on Kahoots for you to purchase. That creates less work for you sometimes, but I love the fact that you can create your own questions with the answers and it'll be very easy. You can go over to Discover and you can click on the different subjects and it will narrow it down for you to use and create questions from. And that is all.